Let us look at how to prepare the torch for use. A cutting torch is connected to the welding hoses in exactly the same manner as a welding torch. The nozzle we shall select will be according to the material thicknesses to be cut. Charts or tables obtainable from your gas equipment dealer provide this information. Before fitting a nozzle, always make an inspection of the seating surfaces. Any dirt, deposits, or damage, even a scratch on these surfaces, will result in improper gas mixing and leakage. The mating surfaces within the cutting head should also be inspected. These seatings must be clean and free of any deposits. Insert the replacement tip, giving it a slight twisting motion to ensure that it seats properly in the head. Fit and secure the retaining nut using a correct fitting spanner. Next we must attend to the gas supply. The preparation of the cylinders and the setup procedures are exactly the same as you learnt in the welding program. For the majority of flame cutting operations, the acetylene working pressure should be set to 60 kilopascals. The oxygen working pressure is set higher for flame cutting than for welding. The working pressure of the oxygen must be adjusted to suit the cutting tip being used and the thickness of the material. By way of example, we will, in the following demonstration, be using a 0.8 cutting tip in the process of cutting 6 mm steel plate. For this, we must set the oxygen working pressure to 170 kilopascals. The procedure for lighting the torch is to open the acetylene control valve by about a quarter turn, and then light the torch using the spark lighter. Adjust the acetylene flame until the black smoke just stops and the flame is in contact with the edge of the tip. Now, slowly open the oxygen control valve until a neutral flame is observed. Check to see that all 6 preheating orifices are producing flame, thereby indicating that none is blocked. Press down on the cutting lever and observe the preheat flames, which should remain neutral. With a properly prepared torch, you can expect to achieve a neat, clean cut. However, if the preheating flames tend to carburize when the cutting lever is depressed, then open up the oxygen control valve a little more. A carburizing flame will cause excessive slag formation, and a very rough cut will be created. To shut down the torch, simply release the pressure on the cutting lever, close the acetylene control valve, and then close the oxygen. In that order.